think the greatest value of learning how to, I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer. Should learn a computer language because it teaches you how to think.
I am volunteering to teach 7 types of coding class. Number 1 improves your English. Number 2 and number 3 teach programming for schools and mobile devices. Number 4 teaches how businesses program. And number 5, 6 and 7 teach you how to program robots. Tuition is free. First, learn some of the professional English you will need for your coding projects. You will need good technical and business English to get help, share your problems with others, and to talk about what you have achieved. Your technical and business English will improve as your coding improves. Next, learn how to code simple educational tools for school. The examples shown here were done in Kèchéng schools. You will feel more confident when you see other people using your code for day-to-day schoolwork. You will begin to understand how to analyze problems, and you will see how important it is to test your work thoroughly. Learn to use special-purpose coding languages that make it easy to process text and pictures. This art example was done by a Kèchéng teacher. This type of coding is often used for mobile devices. You will also need to learn the tools that help create and prepare the text and pictures. It is easier to code applications for smartphones than it is to code applications for robots.
And think about things and work really hard. You can learn business pretty fast. It's not the hardest thing in the world.
It's not rocket science.
It's not rocket science.
Businesses and colleges use many different coding languages. You will need to learn just 1 or 2 languages and then afterwards be good at learning for yourself. Most modern coding is done as part of a work team, so you will need to communicate. You will need the English class. A robot needs to interact with the real world. Coding and testing a robot is done in simulated reality to make it easy to correct mistakes and start over. The simulated robot behaves very much like a real-life robot. The easiest way to learn to code quickly is to take an existing piece of code and change it. That is what we do for all the robots in this program. Next, we will write code for a robot that can see using its distance sensors. This is the most common type of robot. The robot can see obstacles up ahead and avoid them, but only if you program it right. Here, you will take some code that is not working well, analyze the problem, and fix it. Many driverless or autonomous cars are in development. No one has yet completely solved how to program a car for highway and urban driving. Accidents still happen. A driverless car has many distance and motion sensors. It also has cameras to identify obstacles, pedestrians, scooters, cars and other vehicles. All of these sensors and cameras need code. Thank you to everyone who has helped me on previous projects like this one. And thank you for watching this far. If you are part of a school, a club, a church or other group, invite me to come talk or to come teach. We will have fun and you will improve your job skills. If you want to be an engineer or software programmer, or just want to do better on technical interviews, do the last half of the program. you will learn some important technology skills.
Well, not rocket science.
It's not rocket science, no.